Use a stencil to draw 5 circles on 36 gauge copper tooling foil. I used this Fisker stencil to make 5 circles, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and 4 inches. Cut the circles out with utility scissors. Emboss a design on the circles. You want something soft to work on. A piece of foam board works well. When you have your circles embossed, cut 4 16 gauge copper wires, 6, 9, 12, and 15 inches long. Straighten them out. Use a flat nose pliers for this step. Put the 6-inch wire through the hole. Bend the wire twice 90 degrees, like a staple. Punch a second hole towards the center of the circle. This is for the other side of the wire to go through. Flatten the staple side to secure the wire. Bend the long side back away from the circle. Repeat the process with the second biggest circle. And there's your first section. Take the next biggest 9-inch wire and repeat this process to one end only. Do this to the 12 and 15-inch wires as well. It's time to assemble the mobile. First, make some jump rings with a loop pliers. Take your and snip them in half. Find the balancing point between the circles. Wrap each side down and under to make a loop at this point. Add a jump ring that we just made. Make a loop at the end of the second section. Attach it to the ring. Find the balance point and make a loop. Repeat with the next 2 sections to finish. Here is another easy mobile to make with paper parts. Using a small circle template, make 24 circles, 2 each of 12 sizes. I used Sharpie fluorescent markers for the smallest 6 circles. I used black Sharpie for the largest 6 circles. Cut and straighten 6 wires, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16 inches long. Bend a 1/4 inch 90-degree L shape on the end of each wire. Glue the wire to the 2 smallest fluorescent circles. Center the L shape and sandwich it between the 2 circles. Burnish the wire to secure. Repeat with the smallest black circles. Center a loop between the first pair. On the second pair, make the loop a little bit longer than the first one, and do the same on the other side. This is a little bit longer than this one. And continue doing that, staggering the length of the pairs. Add a jump ring between each section. Make this bend go straight up.